Well, good morning, YouTube. It's been a couple days. I've been moving back into Morgantown, and not like anybody watches these videos, anyways. I don't care. But, anyways, today in the market, let's see. Yesterday we got a high of 3,029.50. Today we're moving kind of sideways. Looks like a range day so far. There's still room to clear to get a 3,029. Has a nice new low highs coming in at the market. It's really just moving sideways. Not any trades have been going on today, like at all. Not much volume. It's just moving sideways right here. Like I said, all last night is moving sideways. But I mean, I'm just going to try to make my channels, try to change the ranges. One thing about range days is when you have a range market, look for balance in the market. So if something is extended too far, it's going to want to correct itself and kind of push more in an average price. So that's what I kind of look for. If it's more pulled back than it should be, then more than likely it's going to pull up, fix itself, and find a balance in the market. So what the market likes is moving at averages, moving at prices that it's comfortable at. Alright, I'm going to change to the 2000 tick chart and get off the 5-minute. But yeah, as you can tell, it's really just sideways today. I'm starting to like this crossover with the 20 moving average and the 50 moving average. It's bouncing off this 20 moving average right here. This would have been a nice, quick little trade. Just get in. Like I keep telling myself, if it looks good, it's usually good enough. Don't overthink it. Don't overcomplicate it. Don't hesitate. Be confident in your trades. That's how you make money. Let's see. Let me go back to a 5-minute because the 2000 doesn't like going back far. But yeah, there's still room to clear in the day. Yesterday's high. Actually, I'm looking at it. It looks like it's still just moving sideways from yesterday. I mean, there really hasn't been much change. Only about like $10 worth of change, which, when it's moving sideways like this, you know, it's either a big move's about to happen, you go up, go down. I'm not going to make a prediction, because I don't know. I don't think anybody knows. I just trade for the 5 minutes. That's all I look at in my trades, is the next 5 minutes. I'm not looking at the next 30 minutes, next hour. And that's what I feel like I've been focusing on too much, is time is too far down the road. I just need to focus on the 5 minutes and my executions and my entries, because that's my key, because I'm only looking to make 10-15 ticks on every trade. So therefore, I'm focusing on such little time frames. But yeah, it's having nice momentum to pull back up. There's still, oh my gosh, I don't know why this is messing up so much. But I mean, yeah, last night honestly had the high, so it's probably going to try to push towards the high of last night, which is right here. And we'll see how that does, see how it tests with that. If it breaks through there, then of course it's going to try to push back up towards the new high. But yeah, I'm just going to watch closely on this 20 moving average. I'm going to watch it, make sure. I'm just going to, pretty much today, all I want to look for is just bounces off the 20 moving average on the way up. Honestly, this is my favorite trades to make. Feel more comfortable with them, especially when it's on a trending market. Now, in a range market like this, you know, of course, there can be some variables with it because it hasn't been holding above the 20 moving average that long. But someone is calling me. Okay. I'm gonna stop this video real quick. Alright, well, back to the video. I really need some video editing software because I like to put that last clip and this clip together. I have no idea how to do that, but I gotta figure that out. I'll probably do that today. But yeah, this is what I mean. I'm liking this right here. It's just these pullbacks down in the moving average is honestly my favorite kind of trades, or I like it when there's a nice pullback in the market, but I'm a short-term holder, so what I've been doing wrong is looking at the market as too long-term of a perspective, which for some people 2 hours wouldn't be considered long-term, but for me that's considered long-term. Depending on my trade, of course. If it's a nice trade that I can set up for a nice 2-hour hedge, then that'd be cool. But yeah, I'm just focusing on the 5 minutes. I need to focus more on individual candles. I have this really nice book by Al Brooks that I've been finish up reading about candlesticks, but I just, for some reason, just forgot about it. I haven't been reading it, but I'm going to do that today. But yeah, I'm just going to pay attention to the market, pay attention to this right here, pay attention to the push back up to the top, see how that works. Well, yeah, that's about it for the video. Later.